If you're looking for a simple smoky eye look for the holidays, then today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how I created this look. Really easy to do. Let's get into the video. And this is really just going to be about the eyeshadow. I'm going to do my foundation, everything in another video. And I kind of messed up and I did my lipstick before I did my foundation. Yeah. Um, it yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. But anyways, we're going to get into it. So today I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my, is that upside down? Yes. I'm going to go ahead and use my Danessa Myricks palette for this. So I'm going to go in first and I'm going to take this shadow right here. And I just want to use that as my base transition color, if you will. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my lid. And just kind of work it up as well. And I'm going to go back and use that a little bit more. I'm actually going to tap into and just take a little bit more, but I am going to go in there and use that again. Next, I'm going to go in and I'm going to use that gray shadow right there. Just using it on a fluffy brush. I'm just going to start applying it to my lid and working it up. And I am going to grab a little bit more. I don't want to go too dark here. So it's best, I feel like, if you're not sure how deep you want to go a little bit, just tap it in there, and then you can go back for more. It's better to go a little at a time than too much. Now the next brush that I'm going to take, actually, let's see, I'm going to take this brush because this is the one that was in my bathroom. That's how I create the look. I like to do the same thing. You could use a brush like this too, but I don't want it to be too heavy on the outside. You could see it's pretty light. So you could even use a brush like this. This would be great because you're not going to get too much. Just want to do a little at a time because I feel like black can get overwhelming and I don't want it to be too heavy. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this brush here though. I'm telling you, when you have makeup brushes, you can use them differently than what they were intended for, okay? And this is one of those multi-brushes too that you can use for different things. This is part of the latest Nikki LaRose collection. Feel like I hear a kitty outside. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and I'm going to take that first fluffy brush. And this brush, by the way, was from a Natasha Denona set that unfortunately is no longer available. So I'm sorry, but I just want you to know I do use all my brushes. I have a lot of brushes. I had just bought some new brushes. So I do use all my brushes. So we're just blending this out and we really want to keep it at this outer corner here. Now I'm going to go back and I want to take a little bit of that gray right there. And we're just going to put that up here. See that? And just kind of blend this out. Then I'm going to I'm wiping my brush off in between, by the way. I'm going to go back and use that same brown that I started with. This is so easy, as you can see. I don't think any of my eye looks have ever been complicated. You know, eyeshadow isn't complicated. Just have fun. You're being artistic, you know? At the end of the day, it's just, you're just being artistic, you know? So I'm just buffing that all, same brown color. Just want to make sure the edges are nice and blended well. Now, something you can do if you feel like you've gone a little too heavy and you're having a hard time blending out a shadow, a couple things that you can do. One, you can go in and you can use a powder foundation, okay? You can use a setting powder. And what you would do is just put a little bit on a fluffy brush, tap it, and then just blend out the edges. Another thing you can do, just have to be really careful with this, is you can use a little bit of concealer or your foundation that you're wearing. So you just do a tiny amount, put on the back of your hand. You can take a small brush, say like something like this, and then you're going to just really tap it and blend it. Maybe wipe it off a little bit on a towel because you barely want any color. And then you can go in there and just kind of tap it and then blend it out. Just a couple of ways that you can achieve that. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do, because I feel like that looks really good, is I'm going to go in and we're going to use some shimmer. And this is why I don't have my foundation on, because shimmer is going to, you're going to get some fallout, okay? So I'm going to use this brush from a BK Beauty right there. And this again is one of her new brushes. And I'm going to go in with this color right there and apply it. Now this is what I did on the other side. Now this is going to give you a much lighter look if you look at the two eyes. Now I'm going to go in and take my finger. Now I do have that applicator, by the way. I did not bring it in here, but I didn't use it in my bathroom either, so I don't want to use that. So I'm just going to take my finger and get some on. You can see it. And this is going to give it a more of a heavier look, which I want. Because this is a holiday look. My gosh, it's so gorgeous, isn't it? Now I'm going to just take this fluffy brush here. And again, just kind of blend that a little bit. And then just like that. Now something else I'm going to do, even though I am going to do my concealer, but I just want to show you. So I'm going to take this brush, again from Nikki LaRose. And I'm going to take this color right here in the palette. I'm going to take this color. So I use the color up here. There we go, on my lid, but we're going to go in with that. Just putting a little bit on my brush here and just in the inner corner. And again, I'm going to have to fix that because I'm going to do my concealer. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to take the Victoria Beckham Kajal liner in black. So I'm just going to get my tight line here first. Now I'm not going inside. I'm just getting my tight line. So basically right on my lashes. Now you can really, I can make this more dramatic and put it inside my waterline, but I just don't want, I still want it to look soft. And I feel like when I do that, it's a little more harsh. It's pretty, but it's very, very dramatic. And I just want it a little softer looking. So now I'm just going to go right on top of my lashes. And just line it just like that. Then I'm going to, instead of taking that little thing on the end, I'm going to go in with my smudger brush from BK Beauty. And then I'm just going to really gently so I'm not doing a wing or anything like that. I just don't want to do that. Now I'm going to take that black liner and go on the bottom here really lightly. It's going to look really heavy. I'm hardly touching this to my eye because this, like, you don't have to. If you go put too much pressure on those, it's just going to look like you have a black eye. Even after I just blended it out, it's going to look like that, but I'm going to blend it out more. I'm still going to put concealer. It's going to look like this side, okay? But we're just going to go in here and just lightly blend that out. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the powder down here. And this way, when you were doing an eyeliner on the lower lash line, it's always nice to go ahead and put a powder eyeshadow on top of it because you're setting it when you're doing that, and it just creates a softer look too. And again, you can clean all of that up. Do you see how harsh that is compared to that side? Because I still have to go ahead and put my concealer on, so it's going to get all blended out. I'm going to blend it out a little bit for you right now, but I'm going to come back and it's going to be done because I'm going to do a video on concealer. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush about that size, and this one is not available anymore either. I'm sorry. But if you have This brush, this one's pretty good too. This one is from Cosmetics. So you have foundation, and then you can use this on the other side, and you can just do the same thing. Okay. So let me get the rest of my makeup on. I'm going to put my mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay. Again, this is my final look. Really easy to create. I've already reviewed this palette. I love it. This video is not about this palette. So let me show you something. If this is not in your budget and you don't have, you don't want to go out and buy this palette, I'm going to zoom you in again and show you all the colors that I used so you can find something similar with something you already have, okay? All right, so I went in and I used that shadow right there first, all over. Then I went in and I used this gray shadow right there. So I did that over the lid and kind of worked it up to the crease. Then in the outer corner, I used the black. Then I went in and I used this shimmer right here. Then I did a little bit of that in the inner corner. And then as far as the lower, I just did a little bit of that on top of the black liner. And that's what created this look. I will add everything else that I'm wearing on my face in the description below. And if you are new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. I would greatly appreciate it too. If you've enjoyed it, please make sure you like, share, comment on the video. It helps to push them out to the algorithm. Would really, really appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.